Eddie Knoll Jr., personal injury lawyer with over 25 years of experience doing Louisiana personal injury work. I'm going to try to break down some of the Louisiana auto insurance lingo for you and what's required under state minimum insurance. Louisiana requires that all policies issued to all motoring public have a minimum liability policy of $15.30. You can look at your deck page on your own policy and see exactly what's included in that. A $15.30 simply means that the insurance company will pay no person more than $15,000 who may be injured in an accident, and it will not exceed the sum of $30,000 per claim per accident. There are also different coverages under your policy that you may elect to have that's not necessarily required, and you may be paying extra premium on. So I'm gonna try to explain some of those differences for you. You may also have collision coverage under your policy. What is collision coverage? Collision coverage basically is if you're involved in an accident, you are paying a specific premium to have your own vehicle fixed regardless of who's at fault. And the way collision coverage works, let's say you're involved in an accident and you're not at fault, and the at-fault vehicle either had no insurance or does not have enough insurance or is contesting liability, but you want to get your vehicle fixed. Well, if you have collision coverage, you can immediately start the process of getting your vehicle repaired by your own insurance. There's usually a deductible. A typical collision deductible would be $500, sometimes $1,000, which has to come out of your own pocket before the balance is paid by your own insurance company. This does not mean if you're involved in an accident and there's another insurance company at fault responsible for the accident, for paying for the damages to your vehicle, that does not mean that your insurance company is stuck having to pay for the repairs to your vehicle. What typically happens is your insurance company will be subrogated against the at-fault insurance company to recover any funds plus your deductible that you may have paid in getting your vehicle repaired for that accident. Another coverage on your policy that's called comprehensive. Comprehensive, if there's an accident and, for example, let's say an act of God where, let's say you hit an animal in the road or something like that, again, you're under comprehensive coverage. Your own insurance company will come in and repair the damages to the vehicle.